Most of you searching this probably bought a lever working set for beginners, which comes with a box like this. To set a rivet you need these 7 things. The rivet post, which is the long part, the rivet cap, a hole punch, the rivet anvil, a rivet setter, which has this dome part at the end, a hammer, preferably not out of metal, a soft work surface, choose carefully as this will get damaged. Start by punching the hole where you want the rivet to be. The post should sit tightly in the hole, so choose the hole punch diameter accordingly. The post should stick out 2 to 3 mm at the other end. Next, put on the cap. Place the rivet on the anvil. It should sit flush with the anvil top, otherwise turn the anvil around. Now set the rivet with 1 or 2 hammer blows. And now the last step is to subscribe for more quick no-bull tutorials.